Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In our today's video we are going to be showing you opposite international market, very close to Tipa garage, where they sell sand. This is where they sell vegetables now at a very cheap rate in Ebonyi state. Okay, and after here we are going to move to the Abacha area for you to see where you can buy the most delicious Abacha in Ebonyi state. I really hope you're going to enjoy the video, okay? And if you do, click the like button, okay? Like and share. So we are opposite international market. See, this is under the flyover. You can trek from the gates of the international market and come in through here, okay? But for me, I had to climb on top of the flyover because I came with car, so I had to park here around this place. That's a parking space. Then I use my legs to go over to where they sell vegetables, okay? So you can see for yourself how the settings here is. There are mainly people coming from outside Ebonyi state, or people that come from inside village that don't want to pay for shop in the international markets. They are the people that are staying here because they are not always coming to market every day. They just come in when they have goods and sell and go out. That's why it's very cheap here. You can buy plantain here. You can see fruited pumpkin that will pass. You will get to potato, oranges. These ones are oranges, okay? Very cheap. Oh, this is where you buy it at a very cheap rate here in Ebonyi state. Okay, this one is potato. That potato like that, the bag of it there is 4,000 that they sell it like that, okay? And see the one I got for myself. So let's go to Abacha Abacha, you know. Guys, please like this video, drop your like for me so that the algorithm can help me. This is our international market roundabout. From this place we are going to drive straight to Ogoja Road. We join Ogoja Road and then you will see how we get to Abacha area, guys, okay? Guys, the Abacha I'm talking about is not even Abacha Nkwogo. It is a Kaba Abacha. Like, there is a Kaba market. Inside the market, that's where they sell the Abacha, okay? Not at that Nkwogo street. Just follow me and you will see how you can get to that place. In case you're new in Abakaliki and you love Abacha, you will really enjoy it.
Niger flavor.
What is this magic?
You ready go you know they for money. Yeah, go say go say go go say go say go go say go say go go say go say go.
On the beat is 2 plus.
2 Chris on the beat. 5 PNLs to the tip. Yeah. I like you on like a king, ain't nobody like him. The sweet is keeping up religiously, I ain't talking about him. I cannot be another Talib Kweli or Rakim. I'm doing me, living my dream, opening doors on my kid. To the next chapter, after we cause disaster, we smoke up every corner in the
St. Teresa by the side. Wago Street.
When I move, you move, just like that, just like that.
Wago Street.
When I move, you move, just like that, just like that.
I'ma never see any girl if I like. Dreamtime music, Black Mayo on the beat.
You don't to bless my life. You don't to bless my life. You don't to give me joy. You don't to give me joy. Hallowed be your name. Hallowed be your name. Internal rock of ages. Internal rock of ages. You are the reason for the season. You are the reason why I'm singing. Hallowed be your name. Moti kole mole, moti bi mole mo, moti shayo shayo, Ọlọ́run ti bá mi ṣe o. Moti kole mole, moti bi mole mo, moti shayo shayo, Ọlọ́run ti bá mi ṣe o.
So guys, we are here. The place I'm going in right now, even though the building doesn't look that modern, it is the place you can get one of the most delicious abacha in Ebonyi State. Yes, in fact, you can see people's car parked almost everywhere around that place. And just within these minutes that I just walked in, you can see another person dropping from bike, going there to go and buy. See another person on white down there, okay? The second person going in to go and still buy abacha. See another person on white. That's three people now going in to go and buy abacha. Even before I came out, like it's almost as if it's a queue there. So anytime you're in Abakaliki, find your way here and go and enjoy yourself if you want to chill out and eat a good abacha. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please click the like button and share to your friends, okay? So follow me home. See the abacha, how it is. Okay.
Thank you for watching Helen's Canal.